मतदार यादींतल्यान बेकायदेशीरपणान ज्या रितीन लोकांची नांवां वगळोवपाचें कारस्थान चल्लां तांच्या आड साव्यो कुतीनोवन गोंय वेंचणूक आयोगा कडेन कागाळ केल्या. ह्या प्रकरणांतल्यान घुस्पल्ल्या BLA आड कडक कारवाय करची म्हूण साव्यो कुतीनोवन मागणी केल्या. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
आज आम्ही चीफ इलेक्टोरल ऑफिसर हाजे ऑफिसान आयिल्ले. आमचे बरोबर आसा शर्मिला सिद्दीकी, क्लिफर्ड डायस, लिंकन गोम्स. आम्ही हांगा रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिवपा आयिल्ले विथ रिगार्ड टू द इलिगल जे हें चल्लें आहा डिलिशन, एक स्कॅम जो फ्रॉड जो चल्लो आसा BJP थ्रू, वो आमी ऑफिशियली दिवपा आयिल्ले. सॅटर्डे आमी हांगा येयल्ले. आमचो स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट बाबा अमित पाटकर हाजे बरोबर आमी ऑलरेडी ओरली सांगून येयल्ले आनी ताणें आमकां रिक्वेस्ट केलें की एक रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन हाडून दिया म्हणून. सो ते प्रमाणे आमी एक रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिलां, गिवींग ऑल द फॅक्ट्स अबाउट हाव वोटर्स आर बीइंग डिलीटेड इलिगली. वोटर्स जे खूद थंय रावता, who are existing very much alive and staying in that particular those houses, they are being shown as permanently shifted by the BLAs of BJP. So that we have shown, and we have also given details of two more constituencies, that is TV and Mapsa. There also similar thing has taken place, wherein the BLAs have filed deletion form 7, have filed form 7 amounting to more than the prescribed number. There is a limit up to 7, up to 10 they can submit per day. But here we have found that they have submitted 50, 60, even up to 78 form 7. And secondly, we have also given evidence basically that the BLAs of BJP have not filled form 7. Instead, they have given a list of the proposed deletion of voters in a list format, and the Mamladar has accepted it, which is wrong, which should not have been the case. Because when Congress goes to file form 7, they say that you have to file individual forms for each voter, and here they accept and consolidated sheet up to even 50, 60 number of voters here. This is how it is done, and even the party's name is written here, very much written. Yeah, and we have demanded that action should be taken on such BLAs who are submitting false information, because they sign also there that they are ready. They give a declaration saying that I hereby declare that the information furnished by me is on the basis of proper verification of the part of electoral roll given to me, and I am aware of the penal provisions of section 31 of the Representation of Peoples Act 1950 for making false declaration. So knowing well the provisions of this law, they have filed these false claims and for deletion. So we have demanded that action should be taken on all such BLAs, and at the same time we have also demanded that when the number of deletions that have been sought per day exceeds, it should be scrapped, and all should be sort of rejected outright. Unnecessarily, the voters should not be put into the inconvenience of sending them notices and asking them to come for hearings at the ERO's office. We have made a strong demand to that effect.
I would like everyone to hear the names that are being deleted. Samshudeen Sheikh, Sadia Sheikh, Samad Sheikh, Abdul Sheikh, Reshma Sheikh, Ifat Sheikh, Sumayya Marjana, Abdul Salam Sheikh. The names you can make out belong to one particular community, and this is a direct attack. You can see who's attacking, since the signature is also there by the person who has submitted these names for deletion. It's completely an attack on the voter rights of minorities. I am strongly against this person. This person should be penalized under section 41.